Last week, Hoskin Scientific cut the ribbon on a new Edmonton facility. This new office warehouse is easily accessible and remains near our previous location in the northwest end of town. We now house inventory along with staff to better service our customers in Alberta and the prairies. The open house on September 22nd saw friends, suppliers, and customers join us for food, prizes, and cheer while we showed off the new location. Environmental, geotechnical materials testing, instrumentation, service, rentals, and our system integration team who tie it all together were in attendance to speak about solutions, products, and services we offer. We also had our sister company Events join us. We are located just off the Anthony Henday at 11540 184th Street Northwest in Edmonton. Don't hesitate to contact us online at www.hoskin.ca or over the phone, toll-free from anywhere in Canada at 1-800-663-3023.